It's a blast still echoing through the streets of Port Neches. 4 years after the TPC plant exploded in the middle of the night on the day before Thanksgiving, families struggle to find closure. Homeowners wondering whether financial relief will ever come. Good evening, Southeast Texas. I'm Jordan Williams. Brenda has the night off. A TPC bankruptcy settlement set aside $30 million for those who filed claims. But attorneys say that's not nearly enough to go around. 12 News reporter Kyle Orr talked to a victim and one of the attorneys leading the case against TPC.
Jordan, people who filed claims against TPC might get a few $1,000s. I talked to one homeowner who says that's a drop in the bucket. His damage was 60 times that amount.
A massive explosion at the TPC plant in Port Neches, still sending shockwaves through the community 4 years later.
Thousands of claims were filed, and TPC chose to underinsure itself for its victims, so it didn't have enough insurance, and it ultimately filed for bankruptcy.
Attorney Mark Sparks says all claims against TPC's $30 million settlement have been processed, with payouts possibly coming in late 2024.
And bankruptcy courts are here to protect companies, and unfortunately, victims are often not fairly compensated.
Sparks says that these payouts are no cause for celebration. Here's why. More than 9,500 claims were filed, with nearly half of those claims addressing residential property damage, almost 4,000 claims addressing personal injury, and 578 businesses with damage.
There are 9,524 claims. And if you do that math with 30 million, you can see the problem that the trustee's up against.
He says 3 other companies responsible, Suez, Ingeniero, and Nalco, owe money through their insurance. Any future payouts from them still must be resolved in court.
I think that Nalco is 254 million, and I know Suez and Ingeniero are far, far, far below that. That this popcorn polymer problem was well known at this facility.
But the adjuster said just the housing alone, right at $180,000.
Wade Kimball's home in Hebert Woods was badly damaged by the blast.
It blew the windows in, the doors were blown off the hinges, the brick was cracked on the house.
Wade was forced to fix all damages out of pocket, but not all damage was structural.
He never addressed any health or medical issues caused from this. And my wife, her hearing was damaged. The doctors say tinnitus. I didn't have that. I have it now.
Both Wade and his attorney believe things need to change so companies can be held accountable.
A corporation dealing with $1 billion explodable facility should have more responsibility than what TPC had here.
TPC still faces a criminal investigation by the U.S. Department of Justice. The U.S. Chemical Safety Board released a separate report saying the 2019 explosion was caused by popcorn polymers in one of the plant's pipes. Head to our website to read more about that. Live in studio, Kyle Orr, 12 News.